going to be doing, I don't know what the name is. It's super cool.
Super cool. Don't know what this is.
And with a special guest, my friend Norah.
Hello, people of the earth.
So first, we will be starting with folding our paper
Doesn't matter how far we
into
fold it?
fourths.
So shouldn't we just fold it in half and half again?
Yeah. You can just use regular paper for this. We just happen to be using this paper. It's slightly thicker, but slightly thinner paper would
printer
also
paper.
work. Printer paper would work fine too. Yes. Okay. So you fold it into fourths. Then you take the bottom one and go like this.
Fold it fourth.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
There.
Now, time for a Sharpie, pencil,
Writing
crayons,
utensils.
or
Whatever you
oil
have.
pastels, whatever you have. So, I'm going to draw a Spider-Man.
Can I just draw whatever Spider-Man? I don't know what Spider-Man looks like.
You can draw whatever.
I'm going to draw a cat.
Sure. So,
Doesn't matter where you draw the cat?
Mhm.
Or the
So
Spider-Man?
no,
Or
it doesn't.
whatever?
It just has to be on the center, and then once you're done doing that, basically this thing, you can draw whatever, but I want to give you a heads up. It has to be something, because we're going to open it, and it can, if you draw a donut with a face, it can have
a
like
mouth.
big old mouth.
Giant mouth.
Yes, or something like that.
See, this is my cat. Start by drawing two triangles. And you want triangles on the side. Connect the triangles.
If you want to learn how to draw a full Spider-Man, then I go to my channel, and I have how to draw a Spider-Man. It'll be in the link below. So you basically draw a circle. Then a small dot here. And then you want to draw like this. A line coming here. And a line coming here. And like that, basically. That's adorable. Wow, Norah, you're so fast at drawing.
Okay, I will wait.
Okay, and then you want to, a little circle in the front, you want to draw a line going like this, a line going up and down, and then from side to side. Excuse the loud noise in the background. My siblings are watching a movie. It's actually a Spider-Man movie. And then draw diagonal lines. Oops. If you're using pencil, then you can just go across everything.
And then erase the lines that go inside the eyeballs.
Yeah.
But if you use a Sharpie, you cannot do that because Sharpie doesn't erase.
Just draw as many lines as you'd like, just to make it look like it's Spider-Man. There, basically like this. It looks a bit more like a pizza Spider-Man.
That is okay.
Yeah, it's okay whatever you do. As long as you do something, then it should be cool. 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 So,
Open it up.
So you open it up, and then here, I'm gonna do this.
What? Me? I'm gonna connect the cat's, because see the top part of the head is up here, and the body's down here, and there's like a little bit of the head. Connect the head back down to the body. Try and make sure that the marker doesn't go far off this line, because then it'll be seen when you fold it back up. Don't want anything to be seen, just want to see the cat.
Spider-Man. Oh, sorry, I haven't been directing what I've been doing. I do this sometimes. So, I made a jagged line down here and pretty much continued the Spider-Man. And while I'm doing this, I want to give a special little shout out to Michael for giving me the idea to do this.
What should I draw in his mouth? I should draw a cake.
Then just color in the mouth.
Unless you're not doing a Spider-Man.
Yeah, if you're following along.
Maybe we'll put a marshmallow in here.
Whoa, what? Oh no, a mask! So now it looks like his mask is falling off.
Yeah, let's try and draw a guy. Here's the little hands. And then here's the little feet.
Wow, that's a good beginning.
It's actually a pretty good guy bear.
Yeah! You can follow along with my other Spider-Man video and draw like a Spider-Man body. I'd love to see all of your artwork. Just share it on Facebook and send it to my mom. I'd love to see all of your artwork.
All your amazing artwork. I love
Yeah, amazing.
whiskers.
Sorry, I forgot the word amazing.
Whisker, whisker, whisker.
That's a
It's a
lot of
whisker.
whiskers.
It's you. Da, 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 da.
It looks like hair growing.
No, it's whiskers.
Okay, the finishing results. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Cat.
Oh no, my mask!
La 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 la. Hang on, I must add more detail. You can add however much detail you want. I'm adding a little.
Oh no, my mask! Now, my little signature.
Yes, you must have the signature.
You don't really need a signature.
You don't
but,
need it, but
But some people like signatures. That's it. Bye. Bye. So you see this. Now, you're going to want to fold it like this.
okay.
Wait. Oh, man. Okay. So, you're going to want to fold it like this. And then, wait. No, that's not how you do it. This is how you do it.
Isn't it the same thing?
Oh, yeah, that is the same thing. Wait. Oh, well. However you... Oh, wait, no. You do it. You do it like this.
So like this?
Yeah.
Spider-Man,
Spider-Man does it every Spider-Man. Dooby-doo, rock steady crew. Dooby-doo, 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 dooby-doo.